Hi guys, I hope all are doing great. So welcome to our YouTube channel. So today video is about competitor analysis. So I got many questions from my website visitors and YouTube visitors. So they told me that how can we analyze competitor for our Facebook ads. So today video is all about competitor analysis, how we can analyze our competitor for your Facebook ads, how we can see what are they doing, what kind of ads they are running, what kind of context they are using, so that we will make a strategy to overcome those competitors, and then we will use the same for our ads account. So in today's video I'll let you know how to do it. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you.
Hello guys, so as you know, today our topic is how to analyze our competitor for Facebook ads account. Okay, it means we need to find our competitors and we need to find out what they are doing and how they are running ads, so that we can make a strategy accordingly, and then we will run the campaign with that strategy so that we will achieve our desired results. Because if we know what our competitors are doing, we are able to know what kind of things needs to be done so that we will achieve that kind of result. So for doing that, first of all, you need to have your competitor name. As I have already find my competitor with the help of a SpyFu. SpyFu is basically a tool who will help you to find out your competitor who are bidding on the same niche as yours. So as I have already know my competitors, and I think everybody knows the competitors. If they are running ads, they are running a business, they know what kind of competitors they have, what are their names. So in the same way, first of all, what we need to do is, as this is my first competitor, so what I'll do is I will open his website in a different tab. Okay, so as you know, I need to know what kind of ads they are running on Facebook, because after that I will able to know what strategy I need to overcome this competitor. Okay, so what I'll do is I will find out the Facebook link, the social media link on the website, as it is mentioned in the bottom. So I'll click on it, and once I click on it, it will redirect to the competitor Facebook page. So now I have the competitor Facebook page, so that I will know what kind of ads they are running. Okay, so what I'll do is I will copy the name and I will open FB ads library. Okay, so let me tell you what is FB ads library. It is a tool given by Facebook through which we will able to know what kind of ads, like how many ads and what kind of objective ads my competitor is running. So this is very beneficial tool which is provided by Facebook, and you can easily go to that tool by just typing FB ads library on the Google search. Now as we are on the tool, now what we need to do is, as you know, your competitor is in United States, he's working in United States, so you need to choose United States here. You can also choose all location, but as I know my competitor is running ads in United States, I know they are business settled in United States, so I will choose United States. Okay, and I will check all ads because I need to know how many ads he is running. So I will copy the name of the page and put it here, and once I put it here, you can see now they are showing the advertiser's name here. So I'll click on it. After clicking on it, now as you can see, I will able to see how many ads they are running and what kind of ads they are running. As they are running carousel ads, they are also running video ads, one image ad as well. So this will give me an idea like what my competitor is doing right now. So with the help of this, I will create my strategy as well. Like in the starting, as think I will run on image ads, but now I know my competitor is doing video ads. So now I will change my strategy, and accordingly I will check what kind of context they are using in the primary text. Okay, I will copy the same and put it in a sheet. Okay, as you can see, as I have already put it my competitors content like from my primary text and what kind of ads they are running. I have like go to the copy ad link and I copied the link and I have put it here. So in this way I will easily, when I need to see what kind of ads my competitor running, I will able to see through this dog, because I have created a dog for my competitors, and I have done all these for the different competitors as well, so that I will able to know what they are doing, and accordingly I will create my strategy. So basically this is how we can analyze our competitors. Okay, and there is another way. If you don't know about your competitors, okay, like as you need to know how much person are running ads on, let's suppose, harness dog. As you can see, we have different advertisers here. As you can see, I have just put a keyword here and they're showing me different results. Okay, so like this kind of people are running ads. So we can also research our competitor with the help of keywords as well. If you know what kind of like niche competitors keywords you have, you can easily put it here and they will give us the data, like how much people are running ads for this kind of keywords like dog harness. Okay, in the same way we will search other competitor as well, and then you can see what they are doing. After that you will create your strategy, you can create content, you can create better content than them, so that your ads will be going up and you will generate results. Okay, and you can see what kind of video they are running, and you can also create a video better than that. And after that, if you think this will be helpful us and this will work for us, you can easily generate result for your website. So after that you just need to create a new campaign after creating the contents. So basically this is how we like select content by analyzing our competitors. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.